My name is Adesu Aladoja, the MD CEO of Lagos Free Zone. Today is a very auspicious day for us as we are receiving distinguished visitors from China, from the Guangdong Manufacturing Association. We have a great relationship with Chinese companies and investors. We look forward to this visit, giving us more investors into the zone. Welcome everybody, and we know that you will have a very successful business, profitable business in Lagos Free Zone. Thank you. God bless.
Right now we are in phase 1. This will be for mixed real estate use like malls, entertainment purposes, and we also have a plan for resort. All these are included in phase 3. And out of 850 hectares, 44 hectares is for green and blue cover. You can see there is a lot of greenery in the zone. So we have all the other required facilities like fire station, a police station, a clinic, helipad, etc. and also residential towers here.
On the Lagos Free Zone, I think this is one of the best free trade zone I've ever seen in my career life. I was impressed by the detailed planning, the sophisticated infrastructure in place, and also the good management supporting. I think this is one I have never seen. Thank you.
感谢拉各斯自贸区的邀约，广东省制造业协会的企业家们的支持，一起来到尼日利亚拉各斯自贸区。这次大家学到了很多，也参观了高露洁的这个企业，非常的成功啊！感谢你们照顾得非常好，谢谢，谢谢。